Welcome back to our cooking show.
What's a cooking today?
We got salmon. We will be
the
cooking
knife.
that. And I'm cutting up some cucumbers. We're gonna make a salad on the side. Yep. It's gonna be a little spinach salad. So we're doing that right now. And I'm seasoning it right now. I already threw in some garlic salt with parsley and garlic pepper.
Okay.
Now we got some Himalayan pink salt.
Okay.
We're gonna sprinkle that.
Okay.
Okay. And then we got this.
Calamansi. Ooh, calamansi.
I love this.
Oh, yeah. Love that stuff.
Sprinkle, do that.
Perfect.
Awesome. And
Yeah.
then this
A little
too.
bit of the,
Okay, pure
sesame oil.
sesame oil.
That's good. That's good.
And then
Oh, sorry.
finish it off with the lemon. So we're gonna
Yep. And how are you going to cook it?
we're gonna fry in the pan.
Cool.
So
To be continued.
to be continued.
Okay. All right. Sorry, I didn't tape it. But we'll show what you're doing right now. Okay.
Okay, so we just flipped these at 6:43. We're gonna give it 8 minutes. It's looking good right now.
Yep.
You know what I mean? We got Chris finishing up. Just got done cutting the cucumbers. That'll
Okay,
be
so-
in our spinach salad.
So you got a shirt on today.
Yep.
People will be happy with that.
Yes. I don't want oil on me. I know the dangers of it. Gotta stay safe when you cook it. Always keep that in mind.
But Chris doesn't have a shirt.
Yeah, well, I'm not getting oil on me. I'm just cutting the spinach and stuff.
The spinach.
I cut the spinach and cucumbers.
Cucumbers, because you're making the salad, right?
Spinach salad.
Spinach salad. So we're good. We're going healthy today.
We're going healthy today.
Okay. All right. Well, we'll be back for
We'll
taste
be back.
test.
See y'all soon.
Okay. Taste test time.
Alright, so this is our finished product. We got
Finished
our
product.
spinach salad with cucumbers, tomatoes, and avocados.
Yep.
And of course our salmon. Top it off with this vinegar dressing and ranch dressing.
Yep.
And now we're gonna taste it.
Taste test.
So we're gonna first start with the salmon. Get that.
That looks delish.
Mmm. That salmon is tasty.
That crunch though.
The what?
That crunch though. Very crunchy.
Oh yeah.
Very crunchy.
Mmm. That is scrumptious.
Really?
Oh yeah. No
Very-
salad.
So, 10 out of 10 again.
10 out of 10.
10 out of 10.
11 out of 10 because it's healthy. In a way. Even though we fried it, but you know, still healthy.
Still healthy, right?
feel me?
Right. Success.
Success
Mhm.
for sure.
And it didn't take that long, right?
Didn't take
That was
very
an
long
easy
at all.
dinner.
Really fast.
Very fast.
Cool.
So
Until
we'll
next
see y'all
time.
on the next cooking show.
Until next time.
Until next time. Peace out.
Bye.